Today I am making peppermint tea, and what's so amazing about it is that it's not only soothing, but at the same time it's also invigorating. But first, I want to take you on a little tour of my garden to show you my perennials. Here are my blackberry bushes that are bringing me so much joy right now as they are loaded with blackberries. And my lavender, I have two different types of lavender. I'm actually not sure what the first one is with the longer flower, the thinner, longer flower, but the other one that has a more plump flower is the English, which is so wonderful to smell. It's very sweet, which I love. And I am making a lavender oil, which I'll share that video with you soon. These are things that come back year after year. It's so rewarding because it's so budget friendly. This is my thyme, which I no longer buy from the grocery store, and the oregano is actually new for me. So I just had my first batch that I harvested and put it in a jar. And then the mint. This mint has come back year after year. You can freeze it, you can dry it, you can use it fresh. So many different things that you can do with it. And also I have orange balm, which is fairly new to me. I had not heard of it before, but very similar to lemon balm with a slight orange scent. The two of these are so delicious together. So let's head on inside and let's get busy. First, start by just rinsing off the mint and then fill my tea kettle with water. I'm going to set that on herbal to boil. And I'll go ahead and put the mint and the orange balm in my teapot, but I first must get it out as it has been on display in my beautiful apothecary cabinet. As I am tearing the mint and the orange balm, it helps to release the flavors and the oils as it steeps. The water is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pour that over the leaves, and I'm just going to let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. I love this all by itself. I don't need honey or lemon, but you can certainly add whatever you prefer. To me, it's yummy all on its own.